Hey everybody, in this video I'll show you how can you fix forgot iPhone screen time passcode. If to recover a forgotten screen time passcode on your iPhone, you'll need to follow these steps. First of all, what you could do is open your iPhone or an iPad and go to Settings app. From the settings, click on the General section, after which you simply want to go to Software Update. Or else you could also go to Screen Time, and once you do it so, you want to click on Update Now first thing. As you do it so, then what you have to do is you simply want to go ahead and open up your screen time and scroll down and tap on change screen time password, and you'll need to tap change screen time password once again. And once you do it so, if prompted for a current password, tap forgot passcode. You will be asked to enter your Apple ID and the password that was used when setting up the screen time password. This may be a different Apple ID than the one you're currently signed into, especially if you're using a family sharing as well. Once authenticated, you'll be able to reset the screen time passcode, after which enter the new screen time passcode and confirm it. If you have share across devices turned on, you'll need your new screen time passcode will be automatically updated on the other device linked to your Apple ID. So this is how you could do it, sir. The other thing what you could also do is signing out of your Apple ID and click on forgot password, and that should be able to help you out. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.